Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to look forward to us how we can buy our NFTs from different marketplaces.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie's Academy.
So basically the for before you buy NFT in any marketplace, you need to have your wallet loaded up with some cryptocurrencies, and if it's possible try to load Ether more than others, but sometimes Ether is not always the right. I will show you why. So let's start. So definitely you need your MetaMask wallet. If you are using MetaMask wallet, then load up your MetaMask wallet. Basically, MetaMask would allow you to make connection between your wallet and the cryptocurrencies in there to the marketplace where you are going to buy. So basically, the marketplaces are the one where we can also create or mint our NFTs. So the first one here is Rarible. I have already introduced you to us Rarible. So we can create here. We have done that already. And now you can see here you can browse through the web what sort of NFT you would like to buy, what sort of NFT would be your purpose. So here is a CryptoPunk one. CryptoPunk is always popular one. So you can see this is a Squid Game sort of art. So things that are getting popular, and this is sort of like Ether logo. So I guess this is also related to Squid Game one. This is Earth related. So let's see some what one interesting one. So this is seems to be an Elon Musk one. So let's open one of these art and let's see some details about this one. So this has an bidding option, so 0.5 W8 has been bidded, so that is roughly $2,351, and this includes all of these items as shown here, and this is from the creator Milo. So before buying, like, take into consideration from whom you are buying and how much you are paying for that, so keep in mind. The next we have is Mintable. So you have already seen Mintable. I had shown you earlier. This is also one place where you can mint or definitely create your NFT. So you can see here a lot of transaction is taking place minute by minute. So some person just bought some item. So even in this site, let's see some of the image. So you might have already seen roughly. So let's see the first one, the mountain one that we had seen earlier. So this one is priced at 1,877 US dollars. So before you buy, you need to remember from what sort of person or what sort of seller you are buying from. So let's see. So this seller has listed a lot of item for sale, and you can see here NFT for sale, what sort of items. So this person has listed four of his items, and I don't think anyone has been sold. So here is NFT value. So the views are great. So taking into consideration what sort of views are there, what sort of whether that's popular or not, whether that's trending or not. So you saw earlier the Squid Game ones were a lot available. So I guess Squid Game is getting popular in NFT world as well. So let's see in next site, which is OpenSea. You might have heard about OpenSea. OpenSea is very much popular for buying and selling your NFTs. So you can see here even the Vogue magazine is also utilizing NFTs in its platform. So you can see some of the top collection. As said earlier, CryptoPunks are have a lot of Ether collection, and you can see here different sites and different of the collections made. So definitely you can browse by category in OpenSea as well. So let's select one of them. So let's go for art. So you can go towards different art, music videos. There are a lot of options. You don't have to just stick to one. Each of these sites are focused on their own needs. So you can see they are different. So in fact, what we can do is let's actually go to all NFTs. And you can see here different art and designs are here, and the price tags are placed. So let's select one of them and let's see a bit deeply about them. You can have multiple filter option at here. There are some auctions option also. So in those auction option you have to basically beat your price and for a specific time. Then if you have the highest bid, then you can buy. So it's sort of process. Let's see. So I guess we can select this Cyber Kitty one. Let's see what other options are available. So while OpenSea gives you a lot of options to see, so you can see this one is placed at roughly $47.08, which is 0.01 of Ether owned by this person. However, the views are just one, probably us right now. So this might have been placed right now because it has got no activity. So let's see something which has got some activity. So I just filtered for the art one. So let's open this one. So you can see here this is being loaded. So you can see this is an popular art. So definitely you can see this has been created with a lot of effort. You can navigate through this art, you can zoom through this art, you can see different designs on them. So you can see this has got a 33 views, so that's definitely quite higher than previous one, and also favorite for one person. The price is somewhat around 2300 dollars on 0.5 ether. And you can see the price history. So price history is just for one single day. So just keep in mind before you buy, so what sort of price are kept there. So this is the price kept by this author. So let's open this also. So before you buy anything, keep in mind whether that thing is trending, or if you do not want to buy, then you can resell it and not gain any loss. So that's basically how you trade. You can buy this and again trade that. You have to pay some royalty probably, and that's all for this OpenSea as well. So just take a look and think a lot of times, like be stay careful before buying. The next we have is BakerySwap. So BakerySwap is an interesting site because it does not use any other cryptocurrency, but it has its own cryptocurrency that's called Bakery token, and you can utilize Binance or Coinbase or any other platform to load Bakery token into your MetaMask. So you can go to NFT marketplace and you can explore at here as well. So let's see some simple one. So basically you select one and then you can check them out. So this will be roughly 200 of token, bakery token, and so you can see here 10% sales will go to creator. So this is the royalty kept. I sorry about the royalty. So once you connect your wallet, you can definitely buy then. You can see about this trading history, bidding price, and more about this seller as well. So just click here and you can see more. So that was all about BakerySwap. Next we have Super Rare. Even Super Rare uses its own cryptocurrency as well, but it uses other cryptocurrency as well. So its currency is dollar rare. So here is it information about this. And this is somewhere where you can just buy related to art. So you won't find here music, audio, or other pixelated sort of designs and other digital assets to be sold in NFT. So you can buy and sell your NFT related to digital art in Super Rare. So you can find different websites having different particular needs of their own. So whatever you are planning to buy and however you are planning to buy, it will depend upon what's your need. So once you are in have made your decision to buy, then go through these sites and take some time and then you can definitely buy them. So I hope this lecture was helpful to you in order to buy a non-fungible token. So that's all for this lecture then. I hope you enjoyed this lecture as well.